Hello everyone, in this video we are going to attempt exercise of personal pronouns. Study the examples and fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns in the following sentences. So, here examples are does his homework daily. Okay, because we can see his. So he is the possessive case of he. So in the blanks he should be filled. He does his homework daily. Okay, he के साथ his आएगा. Brush our teeth. Okay, R is the possessive case of we. So we brush our teeth daily. Okay, we के साथ R आएगा. First, Geeta is healthy. Is taller than her brother. Here, her. So, what is the subjective case or nominative case of her? She. So, she is taller than her brother. Wash my clothes. Here, my. What is the nominative case of my? I. So, I wash my clothes daily. The boys have gone to school. So, boys is nominative case. Here, possessive case should be used. So, there. The boys have gone to their school. She has completed her work because nominative case she and possessive case her. My mother is very kind. Mother is female singular number. So, its pronoun is she. She loves me and I love her. ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑफ she. Okay, so let's see answer. Geeta is healthy. She is taller than her brother. I wash my clothes daily. Okay, the boys have gone to their school. She has completed her work. Okay, my mother is very kind. She loves me and I love her. Okay. Next, Newton was a great scientist, discovered the law of gravitation. Okay, so pronoun of Newton. Okay, क्या होगा? He. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? He. He discovered the law of nature. I do my homework and she does hers. My. She and hers, because we have to use objective form of possessive case. Okay, she has a ring. I like its design. Okay, design of what? Ring. So ring is non-living. So possessive case of non-living, its. Okay. Birds build their nest. Yes, why there? Because birds plural. Okay, and we already studied that there is used for animals, non-living and living. So birds, if it is bird, then bird builds its nest. But birds plural, so birds builds their nest. Okay. Next, Meena has sold her house. Her because of Meena. Meena is female gender. Okay. So, her. Now, she lives in a rented house. She, why? She is used for Meena. Okay. If it is Mohan or Ram, he should be used. So, Meena has sold her house. Now, she lives in a rented house. Okay, let's see answers. Newton was a great scientist. He discovered the law of gravitation. I do my homework and she does hers. She has a ring. I like its design. Design of what? Ring. Birds build their nest. Yes, because birds are plural. Meena has sold her house. Okay. Now she lives in a rented house. So I hope you have understood the concepts. That's all for today. Thank you.